This video will take you through the current keyword support in the Oasys LS-DYNA environment version 21. In Primer 21, all keywords up to and including LS-DYNA version R14 in volumes 1, 2, and 3 of the keyword manuals are fully supported. Furthermore, additions and modifications to some keywords introduced in R15 are also supported. The default LS-DYNA output version remains as R11, as this is currently the most commonly used. However, this can be changed to earlier or later versions, including R14 and even the latest version R15. The output version can be saved using a preference. Validity checks have been added for all new keywords. Also, warnings are displayed on model checking if the current output version does not support keywords contained in the model. These output version warnings will also appear on writing. Thank you.